You will be amazed by this 2026 Subaru Crosstrek. This affordable, fuel-efficient Crosstrek gives you all the features you need to keep up with your busy lifestyle. All-wheel drive, flexible interior space, a smooth car-like ride, and impressive connectivity help you tackle every project with confidence. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, moonroof, keyless entry, premium sound system, backup camera, satellite radio, heated front seat, heated mirrors, fog lamps, power driver's seat. Feel ready to take on your day in this well-equipped Crosstrek. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.